everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a green screen duet on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So firstly you have to open your TikTok app. So tap on your TikTok app, and now once you have opened your app, select the videos that the creators have allowed to make duets with. Otherwise, you cannot make a green screen duet on TikTok. So once you have chosen the video, tap on the share icon located on the right side of the screen. Now, from the options that has just come up, look for the duet option at the bottom of the screen, and once you find it, tap on it. Here you can see a lots of options to edit the video, but to use the green screen, as you can see the first option down there, that's the option for green screen. So you can simply tap on it and your green screen will be activated. Now record yourself using a green screen and post it on your TikTok account. So this is how you use a green screen on your duet. So thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.